Okay, hello boys and girls. So it's been a while since we've done a math lesson. So this is a first grade math lesson and we are on chapter 2, and to make this easy, we are going to all start on the same lesson, which is lesson 3. We're not so far apart, but we're just going to go ahead and start here. You should have a bunch of zebras on your page. So it's on page 121, and before we start, we're going to watch a movie.
Answer to a subtraction problem. Picture to show a subtraction sentence. There are 5 bicycles at the store. 2 of them are left. How many are left? Subtraction sentence. 5 minus 2 equals 3. Subtraction sentence. We'll start with this picture of paragraphs. What goes in the first part of the subtraction sentence? The subtraction sentence is the total number of factors. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 paragraphs in all. So, we'll write 5 in the first one. Tells us to subtract. What number goes in the second one? The number on the second half of a subtraction sentence tells how many numbers are taken away. There is 1 quarter line crossed out, so the number taken away is 1. We'll write 1 in the second one. Numbers in the third one. The third one is only an equal sign, so the number in the third one is 8 digits. 1 quarter line was taken away, so the difference is 1, 2, 5, 4. And we'll write 4 in the third one. We're going to put 6, 7, or 11. Subtraction is fun.
Okay, here's our workbook page that we're on. So lots of zebras are out having a great time. Let's go ahead and count how many there are in all. So I'm actually going to get out one of my tools to do this. And suddenly I am not seeing this in the mode I was hoping to. So I'm going to see if I can get my tools out in just a second. I'm going to pause it. Okay, now we go. Now I have a clear page. So whenever I count, I like to have a little tool or a mark. So I'm going to go ahead and just put a little circle on each one of these that I count. So first of all, I got to get this tool out, see if it'll work. All right, it's so not working. I don't know why my tool is not working. Try a different tool. Try a different tool. Okay, it should be showing us how a tool will work, but nothing is working. I'm going to pause it and work on this again. Okay, I finally got the pen to work. So boys and girls, when I count, I like to put just a little mark on there so I know I've counted it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, so we know we have 7 zebras in all. Then in our directions it says we're going to use our dots, our yellow and red dots, but since I don't have these in this lesson, I'm not able to put those on my screen. So let's just go ahead and write your 7, and then it says that 5 of these zebras are going to go into the water, into the pond to play. So if we can, I'm going to go ahead and put a bigger mark on each one. I'm going to give them each a red X to show 5 of these zebras going in the pond. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I've got 5 of them with X's on them. And so that's what we're going to write right here. We're going to write 5. So we're going to take away 5. 7, take away 5. Now I'm going to make my 7 nicer now that my bold marker is looking better. Okay, 7, take away 5. And how many zebras are left? 2. So go ahead and write that on your page. All right, we're going to be ready to change our page. All right, we're on the See and Show page. So at the top you can see that we have a subtraction number sentence. So see, we see that, and we say that there are 5 bikes total. And then we take away 2, which they've X'd off 2, equals 3. 5 minus 2 equals 3. 5 take away 2 equals 3 is a subtraction number sentence. 3 is called the difference. And that's what we were learning in that last video that we watched. All right, so we're going to use the subtraction number sentence to write down underneath this subtraction problem right here. So they have X'd off 1, 2, 3 of the items. So we know that we're going to take away 3. How many items are there in all to start with? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So right here where the first line is, we're going to write the 8. And then we're going to say minus. In this little circle, we're going to put the minus sign. We're going to take 3 away, and then we're going to find out the difference, how many we have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to say equals. Right here is your equal sign. And this now is a number sentence that 8 take away 3 equals 5. All right, for number 2, how many did we have total of pogo sticks? Oh, those are so fun. I heard somebody say last week they wished they had a pogo stick because we have a story about a pogo stick. So we have 3 pogo sticks. Take away, so remember your takeaway sign is minus. Minus 2. How many are left? 1. So put your 1 on the line. Oh, and don't forget to say equals right here. They want you to write the equals inside that circle. 3 take away 2 equals 1. All right, let's go ahead and add up. Now we've got some basketballs or regular balls. I'm not sure what kind. So we're going to count total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is the beginning number. We take away 2, and how many are left over? 1, 2, 3, 4. So equals goes right there, and 4 is your answer. All right, for number 4, we have helmets. We have 4 helmets to begin with. 4, whoops, my 4 didn't mark, okay, minus 2, and then don't forget your equal sign. 4 minus 2, well, my equal sign's terrible, but I know you're doing yours better. Equals, how many left? 2. All right, it's super hard to do this with the mouse. Okay, so this is your on your own. And I'm going to actually let the speaker read the directions to you. Okay, so don't forget that when you're doing this, that you're going to look at your total first and write that number down, subtract what's X'd off, and then don't forget your equal sign, and then add up what's left over without the X's for your difference. All right, and I'll see you on the last page. I'm going to let you work on this on your own. Okay, so if you are all ready, it's time for problem solving. So number 13 says there are 5 cars racing. 2 cars stop. How many cars are still racing? So I'm going to go ahead and get my tool out. I'm going to use a pen, and I'm going to make this a thick line because it's much easier for me to do that when I'm drawing with the pencil. All right, there are 5 cars racing, so here's our total, 5. Next it says 2 cars stop, so we're going to subtract that 2 cars come away and they're stopping. How many cars are still racing? Well, You can draw a picture if you want to. So if you have to, you can go over here and just draw a picture of those things that you see. So we have 5 cars racing. I'm going to do it right up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to say 2 of them stop racing. So we're going to X off these 2. How many are left? 1, 2, 3. So we have equal in this circle, and it's equal to 3. 3 is the difference when we take 2 away from 5. All right, Kayla has 4 rockets. She gives some rockets away. She has 1 rocket left. How many rockets did she give away? Okay, so she has 4 rockets total. We want to know what we're going to subtract from 4 to equal 1 rocket left. So, a couple of different ways we can do this. Let's go ahead and draw a story up here. I'm going to put our circles again to be the 4 rockets that she has. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, when I finish this problem, I want it to look like there's only 1 left. So I'm going to X off the number where I have only 1 left. And it looks like I have to put X's on 3 items to get to the answer of 1. So our answer is she gave away 3 rockets to get 1 left. All right, we're on our last, which is called the hot problem. By using 2 of these numbers each time, write as many subtraction number sentences as you can. All right, so let's start with 8. 8's the big number. Let's go ahead and start with 8. If we have 8, and we take away 6, we have how many left? 2 left. Okay? Now, we can also write 6, take away 2. If we have 6, and you can do this on your fingers, 6, take 2 away, and you have 4. Oops, that 4 is terrible. Let's get my eraser out. Oh dear. You know what? This computer does this every now and then. I lose my picture because it starts to zoom in. Okay, there we go. We got that back. All right, and I'm going to go back and I'm going to get this eraser so I can take off this very strange thing that Okay, now I've got to go back and write my number 2 again. All right, so here's my 2. And 6 take away 2. If we take 2 away from 6, we get 4. Now, what else could we do subtract? By using 2 of these numbers each time, write as many subtraction number sentences as you can. Is there any that we're missing? We can only use 8 and we can only use 6, so I think we've got it. All right, boys and girls. Have a great rest of your day. I think we're done.